Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send crypto using Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a modern non-custodial crypto wallet designed for Ethereum and Ethereum based tokens, and it allows you to fully control your crypto, NFTs and DeFi assets directly from your phone without relying on any exchange. And if you're sending crypto to another wallet, moving funds to an exchange, paying someone or transferring tokens between your own accounts, it's important to do it the right way to avoid mistake or lost funds. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to send crypto using Rainbow Wallet step by step in very simple and safe way, even if you're a complete beginner. So first, you can open to the Rainbow Wallet on your phone and stay on the main dashboard where you can see your crypto balance and the recent activity here. And in the top, you can see there's an option for the send on the home screen. Tap on the send, and here you are also required to type down the name, ENS or the address where you want to send, such as ETH or ERC20 tokens stored in your wallet, and paste the receiver's wallet address, scan their QR code or select a saved contact. Always double check the address carefully because crypto transaction cannot be reversed. Enter the amount of the crypto you want to send. Rainbow Wallet will automatically display the network gas fee so you know the total cost before confirming, and review the wallet address, amount and the gas fee one last time. And you can tap on the save in the top right, then approve the transaction using Face ID, fingerprint or your passcode. Once confirmed, your transaction will show up pending and then complete after blockchain confirmation. And that's how you can safely send crypto using Rainbow Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.